question you asked was, you came down here and
Yes.
you were turning. This was the place, wasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So what was your worry?
Like, so if we're on the test and I go in that lane,
Yeah.
could it be like a fail because I was supposed to go in the right and we're not supposed to cross over to that
Okay,
side?
so let me ask you a question here, right? Yeah. In your world, how would you do that without going over the line?
I couldn't.
There's no way, is there? Right, yeah. So just think, driving examiners, they don't expect miracles. Yeah. So what can you do to make that better? Because we know we've got to go over the line. So what do we need to do?
I can go over the line and then go back to
Yeah. So if you try and go square as you can, effective observation down the road, and then get back into your normal driving position. Sometimes it's really easy to overthink it. Yeah. I would say here that maybe your position was more drifting into the right lane here. So stay square up on this part of the road and then go round. But obviously you've got to go over the line. There's nothing you can do about that. Right, yeah? Make sense?
Yeah.